Hello, Bobcats. This is Mrs. Donahue. Welcome to 2021's Winter Honors Award Assembly. Each year, we honor students who work really hard in school and have grades that reflect it. We are really proud of all of the hard work our students this semester or last semester put into their online and virtual learning. Many students found that this was a very, very difficult time, but we found that many of you adjusted really well, and today we are here to honor you. Each year during our honors assembly, we honor students in 3 different categories. The first category we honor students within is our honor roll category. These students receive grades of a 3.0 to a 3.49. Next, we honor students who received a 3.5 to a 3.99, and that's our Principals Award. And students who received a 4.0, which means all A's, receive a Superintendent's Award. Here today to help announce all of our students in these 3 categories is Mr. Badillo.
Britton Middle School Honor Roll 7th grade first semester, January 29th, 2021. Honor Roll 3.0 to 3.49. Michaela Assam, Amador Bañuelos, Caden Barnes, Kyle Boggs, Lachlan, Bria Connors Garcia, Bella Dowd, Cynthia Garcia, Vega Gatchell, Tanner Holman, Ariana Leyva, Riley Melton, Casey Mulvihill, Donovan Nguyen, Adrian Perez Gonzalez, Garrett Powell, Leila Sanchez, Mia Tipton, Sergio Yanez Gonzalez. Britton Middle School 7th grade first semester honor roll, January 29th, 2021. Principals Award 3.5 to 3.99. Valerie Aguilar, Adam Alciati, Samantha Appleby, Dylan Baniquid, Christina Bernal, Mason Brink, Sismal Castaneda, Madeline Chimenti, Bella Cortez, Harmony Coughlin, Ryan Dansevar Hosini, Savannah De Villeden, Dylan Dearo, Maya Downs, Brooke Frausto, John Jacob Gampton, Nicolette Gemo, Seth Henderson, Aiden Hernandez, Isabela Jimenez, Leilani Jimenez, Savannah Johnson, Nolan Joyner, Isabella Creamer, Kawika LaFontaine, Hector Laureano Gutierrez, Adrian Leal, Nancy Macias Lopez, Logan Maxurak, Ashanti Magaña Barron, Eileen Mateos, Joshua Montes, Jashlyn Moreno, Kiana Mori, Thomas Panuco, Melissa Perez, Yanis Reynoso Ramirez, Seth Rivera, Anthony Rocha, JC Romo, Jorge Rubalcaba, Dani Samatua, Brooklyn Sachs, Easton Tipton, Damian Vasquez, Julia Villa, Jesse Weiss, Samantha Zimmerman. Britton Middle School 7th grade first semester honor roll, January 29th, 2021. Superintendent Awards 4.0. Nawar Abdallah, Ella Anguiano, Abigail Armendariz, Aiden Arzola, Leila Assad, Michaela Brinquis, Alexandra Castaneda Sanchez, Ava Chapman, Logan D'Amico, Nicholas Dayray, Michael Delfava, Alexander Duchenko, Cameron Elliott, Leila Emena, Aiden Flores, Caden Golubuk, Isabella Gregory, Emmeline Hagopane, Jinwoo Ham, Jaden Ho, Ashlyn Ingram, Leslie Harkin, Nicole Malonzo, Alyssa Marcial, Jaden Mendoza, Brianna Meanders, Olivia Mixto, Anish Muraldiran, Vivan Naresh, Ava Navarro, Ava Nguyen, Jaden Nguyen, Benjamin Peterson, Ella Picasso, Riley Portier, Charlotte Punches, Dezali Romero, Linda Sabla, Eden Svoboda, Allison Talley, Amakru Sengel, Kayla Tulowitsky, Tanner Van de Covering, Eric Yang.
Each year we do a raffle during our honors assembly, and this year is no different. I put all of your names in a website random name generator and generated your names randomly and came up with our 3 raffle reward winners. The first reward winner who receives a $25 gift card to Target is Alessandra Castaneda Sanchez. Congratulations, Alessandra. The second reward winner also receives a $25 Target gift card, and that goes to Valerie Aguilar. Congratulations, Valerie. The third winner receives a $50 gift card to Target, and that goes to Leila Azar. Congratulations, Leila.
So, this is your brain. Say hi. Okay, it's a representation of your brain. Brains don't have hands, they have lobes and other structures, which we'll get to. But I want to talk to you about your brain. You see, your brain is capable of incredible things. But I think a lot of times we can feel pretty down on our brains, on old Thinky Pinky here. We beat up on them, say bad things about our brain's abilities. Say we have trouble understanding a subject in school, or solving problems, or learning a new skill. It's easy to say, oh, I'm not smart. I'll always be this way. Hey, stop doing that. What we think of as intelligence, what we think of as smartness, is not fixed, is not stuck in one place, is not permanent. Your brain can improve. Your brain can grow. Come with me on a journey of discovery. Here we go. Into the brain. Excuse me, coming in hot. This is a thing called a neuron. Oh, hey, welcome to the inside of your brain. A neuron is a brain cell. There's over 100 billion of these things making up your brain. Put it this way, there are over 13 times more neurons in your skull than there are human beings on Earth. A lot of them. They're the cells that help you think. Mind you, a single neuron, and let's call her Nellie. Hi, Nellie the neuron. Nellie, on her own, can't do all the thinking your brain needs to even pick up a glass of water. Fortunately, she's got friends. There's Dendrite Dave, there's Alonzo the axon, there's Magna Myelin, and look, little Sally Synapse! So teensy tiny. Your brain behaves like a muscle. If you're serious about lifting weights, right, and you keep it up on a regular basis for a long period of time, weeks, months, years, you're going to develop muscles. But you don't grow muscles by doing nothing. It takes effort. It takes struggle, repeated failures, in fact. You mess up, and then you learn, and then eventually you manage to jump the log or whatever problem you're trying to solve. Wait, we've lost focus here. Back to neurons. When you struggle, your neurons are struggling too, and that's important because when neurons struggle, they lean on each other. They make connections. They start to form this densely connected network inside your brain, allowing little jolts of electricity to pass down them more and more efficiently. That's thinking faster. That's your brain getting smarter. That's your brain muscle getting swole, kid. So the next time you say to yourself, I can't do this, I'm just too dense, remember that brain density is your friend. In fact, the denser you are, the more connections between Nellie and her neuron pals that you've got inside your brain, the stronger and more powerful your thinking parts become. The more you work through your frustrations with the right learning strategies, the more your neurons get more used to working together, the closer you are to being that much smarter. Now get out there and do your best. Don't give up, grow those brains, and remember, you can learn anything.
Well, congratulations to everybody. And we want to thank those of you who worked so very hard this semester and put your whole heart into figuring out virtual learning and making sure that you had your assignments complete and you studied for your assessments. Please remember, all of you can make honor roll. It just takes perseverance. Make sure that you're reaching out to your teacher if you need support. If you have any missing assignments, make sure to work on getting those completed. We look forward to honoring you next time. Have a great day, Bobcats.